Welcome to the Technological Institute of the Philippines. We are the computer engineering students to present our project, the fire alarm circuit.
The purpose. A fire alarm is a device making a loud noise or indicators that gives warning of a fire. It is a set of electronic equipment working together to detect and alert people through visual and audio indicator when smoke or fire is present. These alarms can be activated from smoke sensors or heat sensors. It is an automated fire alarm circuit that activates when the thermistor detects heat.
So this is the battery, and this is the thermistor, two resistors, one diode, one capacitor, and one NPN transistor. This is the buzzer.
This Prince song inside my head. Hands up if you're down to get down tonight, 'cause it's always a good time. Slept in all my clothes like I didn't care.